Alright guys, what is good? Today we're doing a pre-market analysis and what's going on for the upcoming weeks, upcoming week, and it is looking really good. I'm also just gonna kind of, not like really an overview, but kind of like an overview of how my trading's going. I don't know why I'm doing this. My hand hurts. But yeah, as you guys know, and probably from my recent videos as well, I am unprofitable, which is again fine. But like, we haven't won a trade for we've lost 20 trades in a row. So this week, I'm wanting to put that to an end, and it might not happen this week, but I'm going to do what I can to break this losing streak, and get a decent trade, and maybe even make all the money back on one trade. It's paper trading, so you know. But that's what I'm going to try and do. That's my goal for this week, is get a nice, good, winning trade. And this week is looking really good, so let's go over it. And there's something that's kind of, I don't even know, but Tuesday is 4 a.m. GBP news. That's the Bank of England. And then 6:30 is GBP. So I'm not going to trade on Tuesday, I think, because 6:30, that's definitely high impact for sure. Flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI, and then that's two pretty, I would say, high impact news thingies. So that's probably not going to be Tuesday. We're not going to be trading, and then the rest of the week is fine. But if we go scroll further down, right, and this is going to be different since we're going into daylight savings. Now we have GBP news not at 4 p.m. but at 5 p.m. So we're not going to be able to trade on Tuesday. Next week we're not going to be able to trade on Friday. Just basically a lot more. Wednesday we're not trading because 5 p.m. is when London opens. But actually, this is even crazier. When does London open on the London opens at 6 p.m., doesn't it? So that's even more crazier. I didn't even realize it. I thought it was just the news. Am I dumb? So that means London opens, I think, later. 6 p.m. Dang, that's going to change a lot. That's going to be a bit annoying. But yeah, point is, news is like changing. Times are changing. So it's going to be a bit weird to adapt to it. But I mean, other than that, I mean, we got a pretty good looking week, and for this week, it's just how are we gonna, like, you know, do it once daylight savings goes out. Well, we should be fine. It's just 6 p.m. That's not even that deep. It honestly would be better for work and stuff, I think, potentially. I reckon we're gonna be going up, hopefully, because I feel like the US dollar, and I mean, everyone's been kind of, the US dollar should be going down. But that might mean this goes down because the economy goes up but the dollar goes down, or something like that. But we might actually end up wanting to take out these relatively equal lows and then rally up. But that's kind of what it's looking like, I'm not even gonna lie. If we go into the daily, it looks like that as well. We filled in a gap, filled in an order block, broke structure already. There's still liquidity here, and then high resistance liquidity that we're 100% going to want to take out. Weekly as well. That is just too crazy of a long week to just, like, we're not going up. I mean, we could. I'm not like the master of the markets yet. But most likely we're going to take out this low and these lows here. And on the monthly, that means we might even get a monthly, maybe not this month, but next month, we might even get a monthly break of structure, which would be pretty different. I'm hoping not, honestly. I hope the British pound goes up, but hey, who cares? And yeah, that's gonna be kind of it. But yeah, there's nothing really else to, I mean, honestly, I still want to see us take out on the weekly this low resistance liquidity. I mean, we've taken out one draw, but I swear we'd want to take out the rest. Weekly low resistance liquidity. Are you guys seeing this? That is, bro, why is my ear? That is literally amazing. That is amazing. if we don't want to take that out, I don't even know what we would. Like, surely, there's no way we don't take that out. But hey, maybe we don't take that out, you know. That's actually pretty close together. I'm not even gonna lie. That's like, it's only 200 pips. That's like a whole news event that could have taken that out. Anyways, enough of my yap. I'll see you boys tomorrow for tomorrow's trade. I'm excited. There's no news tomorrow, so that's gonna be very good. And let's see. Let's hopefully break this losing streak, bro. I've had enough.